Hello out there, everyone. This is the world famous here, Mr. River Rat, the troubleshooter, Borderland Amps. We have a 2RS. One of my very first amplifier I built back then. It was way back. Well, this is very interesting. Let's see what's inside. Wow. The very first thing I notice is where has it been? Okay. They brought it to me like this, and I know this is not the relay I had in here because I know it was back here, but somebody has been working on this one, or they tried to fix it, or it never worked. Okay, if I go over here, I see a 2290 and a 2079. So someone had added a 2290 in there. I'm not sure why. Why would they do that? Well, what we're gonna do to this one here, or what I'm gonna do to this one here, is I'm gonna do a complete rebuild. I'm still gonna stay with the same box, and I have the board here. I have a brand new copper glass board here, and we're gonna be doing some cutting here, and put it in here, and let's see how it works from here. Okay. Thank you very much. 73, I'm gone. Bye.